Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all good. Thank you so much if you are returning from my previous video. So this is the part 2 for the face mask. I'm gonna go ahead and try on the mask that I created. With that being said, let's get started. I am going in with the Peace Love. The sticker is still not sticking well. Instructions: unfold mask, apply mask over clean dried face, leave on for 15 minutes, then peel mask gently away from skin, rinse face. There's a lot of water coming out of this, you guys, like not even open, and it's like a lot of water. I don't know if you guys can see that, like lots of water. Just hope I don't get any reactions to this. That's why I'm trying them before you guys even try them. Oh gosh. And of course this is for little kids, so the mask is tiny on my face, on my big face. Okay guys, I am back and my whole face feels very fresh, like minty fresh. My eyes are closed. I don't know if you guys can see that. My eyes are closed because the mintiness that it has, it's like, I feel like it's burning my eyes a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and it burns my eyes a little bit. I'll be back. I'm gonna go rinse it out really quick. That first one, like, it started burning my eyelids a little bit. I still feel like a strong kind of peppermint around my eyes, and then I feel my face kind of fresh but not super fresh, so it feels just like if I would have wiped it with something, like that little freshness, if that makes sense. And then I do feel like the peppermint right like in my eyes. I don't know what's going on. So now let's go on to the next one. I'm gonna go ahead and try on Check Me Out, this one. And this one is also wet. The sticker is super wet too. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. This one again has a lot of water and excess. I got it everywhere. Here we go. I don't even have like a minute with it on and I already feel like the whole kind of fresh feeling, but now it's like burning me here. Definitely here. And here and here. I feel like a burning sensation. I don't know if it's the peppermint. So this kind of like burning fresh sensation, I'm starting to feel it all over. And if I feel it a little bit more intense, I'm gonna go ahead and take it off immediately. Nope, this one's definitely burning me. So the second one did burn me. I have this burning sensation. It started off kind of minty, but then it started off going into a burning sensation, if that makes sense. And this is a product for little kids. Okay, final mask, and this is the Keep It Cool face mask, and I believe this is just the strawberry one. I don't like that I have that burning sensation still, and I washed my face and all. Okay guys, I can't do this one. Smells like old medicine, guys. Final rating out of 5, I give this product a 1. The only reason I give it a 1, it's because it was very fun to create these masks. It was fun to get the little pill, open it, put it in the water with the scent mixture. It was really cool, really cute. I enjoyed that process. But the rest was downhill. I don't know if you guys can see, I'm like really red. And it's because it was burning me. It was bad on myself. I can't imagine why, not in a bad way. Again, this is my opinion, but I can't imagine how this is for little girls or little kids, but yet if it gives an adult a reaction as the one that I had, and children tend to have more of a sensitive skin. That's where my concern lies. Would I recommend it? No. Would I buy it again? No. Would I use it again? No. That's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these. And if you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time. Bye, guys.